Tomorrow is Express Yourself Day. We come in casual to raise money for the Fred Hollows Foundation, which is basically a foundation that gives sight to the blind. We are doing 90s theme tomorrow. Completely nothing to do with the actual theme, but basically I am going to be braiding my hair so that tomorrow when I wake up it will be crimped and 90s. And I'm really hoping I won't look like Hagrid. Let's hope that's good enough for tomorrow. My hair turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. Looks very Spice Girls. Okay, everyone's come as 90s. Look at Sasha.
The denim on denim stats. My mom jeans.
Let's go to the court. Look at the scrunchie. So I've got my Enid Blyton books. Very 90s. My Tamagotchi. My plaid. These ugly Converse shoes.
Disgusting chucks. Knee-high socks. And turn around for the hair. Yeah.
Loving it. Loving it. Straight out of Lizzie McGuire, even though she's not 90s. It's close enough. 2000, fine, whatever.